Let me unveil today's recipe to you in style because it's one of my favorite meals. Hello everyone, I'm making rice and beans with beef stew. Simple yet classy. That's how I feel sometimes. What about you? Okay, so let's get cooking. I have my rice, brown honey beans. This beans is actually so sweet. Corn, tomato, pepper, onions, mixed beef seasoning, mixed spices, garlic, star anise, cinnamon powder, bay leaves, vegetable oil. So let's cook. I've picked my beans earlier, rinse and boil. Add a little bit of salt, then I rinse my rice. It goes into my boiling water and I allow it to cook. I have enough time now for my beef. I want this beef to be so tender. So I'm adding garlic, star anise, bay leaf, rosemary, onions, mixed spices, bouillon cubes, and I mix. I allow it to cook properly. Let me be honest with you. The flavor and aroma you get from using all this combination is just in another level. It's so lovely. So I like cooking my beef like this until it's very tender. My beans is ready and also my rice. I'm finally making the stew. I add a bit of vegetable oil in my pot, my blended pepper mix, allow it cook a bit, and I put some stock into the stew. Then in goes my beef and it's time, it's ready. So I just garnish with a little bit of spring onion and carrots just for the color, and of course it's healthy. And that's my simple and classy meal. I'm tasting it on our behalf and I must confess it's super delicious. Recreate this dish and please invite me to taste your own meal. When you do, keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites. Thank you.